Hey folks, Mike Hilston here, Chatbot Agency. Welcome to Lesson 8. I think it's Lesson 8, yes. This is the one we're going to be talking about Facebook audiences and the strategies that we use, okay? For basically, we'll have a 12-week program that we try and train our clients with, and it is an extensive 12-week program. But I'm going to summarise it here in this particular lesson. Please note that every business is different. They'll have a different type of custom audience, but we're going to break those down into basics. And your saved audience, everyone is going to be different there as well. And of course, the lookalike is really just putting together what it's learnt so far from the other audiences. I'll give you enough information so that you are a little bit dangerous, okay? But the information we'll share with you will make you a little bit more knowledgeable when you, let's say you are engaging a social media person that's going to do this for you, or it's going to give you a little bit more of a desire to learn more, okay, and try and do this stuff yourself. We'll probably have down the track here, okay, because obviously time is of the essence. We will have full-blown courses around this, and we will get in other Facebook advertising experts, okay. I speak with Facebook probably once a week, so I'm getting a lot more from them, and I'm also giving a lot more back, okay. So, the more you give, the more you get back. It works a treat. We're using their platform. We have to respect their platform. Okay, that's rule number one. You're paying them money. It's not a lot of money. That platform needs to be, it's got the best artificial intelligence next to Google on the planet from a learning algorithm. So all we're doing, mate, is we're using what Facebook knows. Okay. So let's just shoot on here, and I'm going to go through these one at a time and take me off. Okay, so strategy, folks, is this. Okay, is first up, we need to create a custom audience. The first custom audience. Sorry, let me explain that. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab all those digital assets that we've spoken about in previous lessons, okay, and upload those into Facebook. And then Facebook will go out and connect with all those people that match up with the data that you've put into your Facebook Ads Manager. Okay. Now, to do this, folks, you need to have your Business Manager set up, and you need to have your Ads Manager set up. At this stage, you don't need to put your credit card over, but as soon as you start creating campaigns, make sure you put your credit card details in first, because you probably get to the end and they'll go, hey, no, you haven't paid us, so we won't save it. Blow you, okay? The second custom audience that you're going to create, okay, we'll call that audience 02, is effectively going to come from your analytics, okay? Those are people who have come from your Facebook pixel. These are people that have visited your website. So remember, we're talking about putting a pixel in your website. That means the traffic which could come from anywhere, business cards, billboards, Google Ads, Google search, okay, or people just clicking on your email signature and going to your website. Okay, we're basically retargeting. That audience will be used to retarget those people. The third custom audience that you're going to create is those that have engaged with you through Facebook. Now, this is a really, really cool audience that you want to create, because it's going, and you can set a parameter. You can say how many people have checked out our stuff in the last 3 months, or which is, let's say, a hot audience because they're already there. And in some cases, you can go right out to 365 days for Messenger, okay? That's when we start looking at running sponsored ads. That's how we utilise that. Then, so that's everything from ads, comments, shares, messenger, all of those channels, okay? The next audience we're going to create is something that Facebook has, and we call that a saved audience. So this is effectively going into Facebook and going, okay, I want to know everybody whose birthday is coming up in the next month, aged between 18 and 29, because I'm going to be pushing a new t-shirt in front of them and saying, right, you know, what are you going to get for your birthday? Nothing like a t-shirt. That's where saved audiences come into play, okay? And you can target those down. So it'll be targeting interests, you know. So we use the birthday one with real estate. We've got a number of real estate audiences that Facebook already have in there. Look, they got the data, may as well use it wisely, it will reward you in the long term. Then once we've gathered all that information and we've got our custom audiences and more importantly using your saved audience to reach out to new people, okay, we are going to create what they call a lookalike audience around those that have actually come in through your audience, okay, audience number 3, because these people are now engaging with you, okay, and they could have come from your audience 1 and audience 2, but they've now engaged with you most recently. And they're the types of people that we're ideally looking to target with our ads, okay? So that's basically the simple structure for basically running your, you know, the types of audiences that you want to create and how they're going to be used. In the next video, we're going to be going through how we use those. So that's just a summary. I may have said too much on that, but it'll make sense when we're talking about it in the next lesson. Okay, so thanks for watching. We're now getting to the pointy end of where we're taking all of this, but now you're basically learning enough to now see the light at the end of the tunnel and how all of this will come together. Okay, well that's me, Mike Hilson, signing out from the Chatbot Agency. Looking forward to catching you up with the next lesson. So thanks very much. Take care. Chat later. Cheers to you. Let's go. Bye now.